So, I figured it's about time I give you a walkthrough of my toolbox. So here we go. At the top we got us safety goggles, knives, tyre stuff, electrical tester, box openers, chalk, pens. Got the 3 of the puck lights because I absolutely love these things. They're just so bright. Then moving down the side, there's not much else to see at the top, it's quite boring. Going at the top, we've got a bits and bobs drawer. Nothing of any excitement in there really. It's a bit boring. Then we move into my metric spanners. I got my pipe spanners, the always needed cut downs, some lovely gear wrench ratchet spanners. Really nice, like them. Snap-on flank drives, gotta be had. Me Blue Point extra long flex head ratchets with a couple of cheap sets of stubby ratchets at the back. Moving into the Imperial drawer. Mixed match of large Imperials, a big track rod end spanner, and my 18-inch adjustable, and a big 24 that we made up because I needed it for a job. And I got some cheapy Imperial spanners, some cheapy stubby spanners, and some more gear wrench. Moving to the sockets. Got a Bluetooth speaker, obviously very nice. Got my 1/2 inch extra deeps at the back, 1/2 inch 12 point, 3/8 swivels, 3/8 extra deep, 1/2 inch impact, 1/2 inch 12 point, and then my Blue Point quarter drive set. Got the snap-on step set, it's really nice. My snap-on 3/8 extra deep, my snap-on 3/8 shallows, and my snap-on 1/2 inch nice set, 12 to 24, and then these little things. Ooh, where is it? Quarter drive magnetic, really useful. Random box of bits and bobs. Then I've got all my ratchets, various types, 1/2 inch ratchets, and my quarter drive set. Down here we've got my 3/4, 12 inch, 3/4, 3 inch, a couple of breaker bars, my long ratchet, and the snap-on locking extension set. And then move into the metric drawer. Got Blue Point 1/2 inch at the back, Blue Point T-Torx and quarters, my Torx, more Torx, more Torx, Blue Point bit set, 1/2 inch drive Imperial, half inch 3/8 quarter drive bit set, extra long, crow's feet, and more bit set. Down the side we've got his 1/2 inch impacts, 3/8 Blue Point Imperial, and quarter drive Imperial. Oh, and these are great. Everyone should have these. Pass-through sockets, they're absolute godsend. Moving into the screwdrivers. Obviously, snap-on instincts, snap-on seal pullers, cheapy miniatures, DeWalt bit set, more bits, impact driver, Allen keys. These are really nice. Weird Allen keys. Got the wobble end on the other end. Extra long picks, snap-on picks, 2 ratchet screwdrivers, and then various other random bits of crap. Struggling to find stuff, so I've got my electrical connections down here. Circuit tester, cabling, test lamps, paint brushes, scrapers, blowtorch, snap-on soldering iron, vernier gauges, digital caliper, all very nice. The genuine junk drawer with the Stanley Fatmax hacksaw, Stanley Junior hacksaw, and we roll some files, drill bits, easy outs, nothing more in there really. Then the general pliers drawer. Irwins at the front because they're far better than the snap-on at the backs. Pretty basic, normal stuff. Eagle beaks, F-types, adjustables. Then the fun drawer, because well, when do you not need different hammers? Snap-on rethreading set and a tap and die set. It's really quite nice, pretty comprehensive. Step 1 to step 3, M3 to M12. Nice little set. Mixture of various hammers and punches and all sorts of good stuff. And in the bottom drawer, 10.8 volt, just because it's smaller than the 18 volt. A snap-on impact, blue point cutter, blue point die, trident ratchet, air gauge, gloves, various discs and pads from the various tools, and my cable ties. Moving out the side, magnetic strip tray, brake cleaner, oil, air gun oil, PTFE, talc for the gloves, clipboard, you know, usual good stuff. And then the back of the box. So hopefully that's cleared up a few issues people have had with me doing quick toolbox checks before. Any questions or comments, please just leave them below. Thank you.